Debit Note in Tally Prime. Debit Note is a document issued to a party stating that you are debiting their account in your books of accounts for the stated reason or vice versa. It is commonly used in case of purchase returns, escalation, de-escalation in price, any other expenses incurred by you on behalf of the party, etc. Debit note can be entered in voucher or invoice mode. Go to the gateway of Tally, select vouchers, press F10 or select debit note and press enter. Press Ctrl plus H to select the required voucher mode, item invoice in this case. In party account name, select the party name. In party details, provide the supplier details. You can also provide the receipt or order details as per your invoice requirements. You can also enter the original invoice number and date against which this purchase return is being recorded. If you do not see the party details screen with options for original invoice number and date, press F12 and set Provide Dispatch, Order and Export or Import Details to Yes. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save and proceed. Select the purchase ledger to allocate the stock items. Provide the stock item details. As in other transactions, you can create the item on the fly by pressing Alt plus C. Select the stock item, enter the quantity. The rate will be auto-filled based on the rate entered in the previous transaction. However, you may choose to enter the rate. The amount appears automatically. Select the bill-wise details. Press F12 and set Use Default Bill-wise Details for bill allocation to No. Henceforth, you can select the bill references in the bill-wise details screen until you change the option in F12 of the invoice. Select Against Reference as the payment has not been received against the purchase. Provide narration if needed. You may want to account for an increase in purchase value. For this, you can record a transaction in credit note by selecting the purchase ledger in invoice mode as well. Go to the gateway of Tally, select vouchers, press F10 or select credit note and press enter. Press Ctrl plus H to select the required voucher mode. Select the party account name and provide the supplier details. You can also enter the original invoice number and date against which this transaction is being recorded. If you do not see the party details screen with options for original invoice number and date, press F12 and set Provide Receipt, Order and Export or Import Details to Yes. In the Ledger Account field, press Enter on Show More and select the purchase ledger to allocate the stock items. Provide the stock item details and enter the amount. Select the bill-wise details against which this transaction is being recorded. Accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.